Hello, so this is Unity, the website Unity3D.com, where you can download the Unity3D engine. The latest version is 2018.2 and I think we should download it. So how do we do that? Maybe get Unity. Alright, there's your packages. Notice there's a Plus and a Pro, and we could get those if you want to spend some money, but the free version will be everything you need for what we're doing in this series of videos. If I want to download this guy, I just say try personal. I guess there's some terms of use that I'm sure you will all read very carefully. If you do make a wonderful game and then you start making money off of it, eventually you might have to actually pay for Unity. But let's just try this free version. So I'm going to have to click that little checkbox, and I'm on Windows. I could also go to Mac if I had a Mac. Let's check this guy out. I'm downloading it. I'll just put it on my desktop. I'll delete it later. And there we go. I'm using Chrome, so you can see it kind of down there in the corner. Let's go show in folder. Okay, so there's my file. I'm just going to double click on it to run it. Done. There it is. Little assistant to help me download. I'm going to accept their terms because I read them very carefully. Now this is something I do want to pay attention to a little bit. I do want Unity 2018. I think I'll take the documentation since by default it's suggesting that, but probably any documentation I really care about I'll just use online. All the other stuff is not needed by default. You might also have the Microsoft Visual Studio community checked. If there is anything with Microsoft Visual Studio checked, I would just uncheck it. That's not the editor I'm going to use. If you want Microsoft Visual Studio, I think you eventually have to pay for it. And you can get Microsoft Visual Studio Code for free online, so you could try that editor, but we'll talk about the editors later. I think that is basically what we want right there. Alright, so we have finished. Woohoo! Oh, okay, it's installed. So where is it? Okay, I'm going to close this. I'm going to close that. And they put a shortcut on my desktop. Wonderful. And they also have that download assistant, which I'm done with now. So I'm going to delete that one. That's just a shortcut to the program itself. I guess I can leave that there. I could, of course, find it in my applications. Once you find the program, you're ready to get going. Congratulations, you have Unity on your computer.